Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Here we go. In this video you will see in which direction the price of Bitcoin has moved recently. Additionally, you will find out what the technical indicators SMA, divergence, Stochastic Rsi and MACD are predicting about its price and future movements. If you are not familiar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos down below in the description. Taking a look at the hourly time frame for Bitcoin, it can be seen that the price went down with around 3.9% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of 55,820. The volume was actually high, showing that this move was strong and the sellers are taking over. Jumping to the hourly simple moving averages, the current price is below all simple moving averages for this time interval, which looks bearish, and it is to watch if the closest SMA, the 20 SMA, will play as resistance or the price will break it to the upside above the current price of around 55,895. It's important to note that currently the price is below the 200 SMA, which is normally a strong resistance. A potential move upwards, however, could be signaled if it were to break decisively upwards. Jumping to the hourly Stochastic Rsi, both the %K and %D lines are in the higher region, which means that the price is getting overbought and soon a trend change or at least some kind of consolidation could be expected. However, the K line still hasn't crossed the D line, so you should wait to see if the trend will actually go down. Looking at the hourly MACD, the MACD line is above the signal line, which shows that the current trend is on the upside. Looking at the MACD histogram, we can see that the momentum is strong at the moment and we can expect the price to continue growing or maybe at least remaining the same for some time. Moving to the 3-hourly simple moving averages, the price broke the 100 SMA to the downside decisively with higher than average volume, which is a strong signal. At the moment, the price is between the 200 and the 100 SMA. If the price bounces off the 200 SMA, which is currently at 55,590, it could be seen as a support, and the 100 SMA that is at 56,661 could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. Important to note is that the price is currently above the 200 SMA, which can play as a strong support. However, breaking it decisively to the downside will signal a potential big move down. However, the shorter time frames are not very accurate, and the bigger time intervals like the daily should also be considered for longer price development. Searching for divergence in the 3-hourly time frame, owing to the bearish divergence, the price has already gone down. Moving to the 3-hourly Stochastic Rsi, we can see that the crypto is being oversold because the %K and %D lines are in the lower region. A change in the trend can be expected, or for the crypto to remain at least stable for some time. The trend has shifted upwards because the K line is currently located above the D line. Jumping to the 3-hourly MACD, the MACD line is below the signal line, which shows that the current trend is on the downside. However, the MACD histogram shows that the momentum is currently shifting to the upside, and it could be expected that the price will consolidate for some time, and you should wait to see if the MACD line will cross the signal line, which will be bullish. Jumping to the daily simple moving averages, the price has crossed the 50 SMA downwards, but the volume wasn't very high, which means it is not a very strong signal. At the moment, the price is between the 20 and the 50 SMA. If the price bounces off the 20 SMA, which is currently at 55,010, it could be seen as a support, and the 50 SMA that is at 56,709 could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. Moving to the daily Stochastic Rsi, there are no signs of the Stochastic Rsi being oversold or overbought at this time, but the %K line is below the %D line, which means the current trend is on the downside. Moving to the daily MACD, seeing as the MACD line is above the signal line, meaning that the trend is currently on the up. But according to the MACD histogram, we can see that the momentum is going down. Owing to this, we can expect the price to remain stable, and you should wait and see if the MACD line will cross the signal line, which will be a downward trend. Generally, the bigger time frames have a bigger impact on the price, so please keep that in mind when we show different time frames showing contrasting indicators. Also, the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching. New videos are uploaded every few hours analyzing various cryptocurrencies, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. If there is something that you didn't understand, leave us a comment below and we'll get back to you. You should know that trading with cryptocurrencies is very risky, and these videos are only an overview of what happens with the price and a pure technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. So you should read more and make your own investing decisions. See you next time.